Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 21st, 2025, and we're diving into Live Nation Entertainment's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Live Nation has had an impressive year, and I'm excited to discuss their performance and future prospects.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Live Nation reported a revenue of $23.16 billion for 2024, which is a 2% increase from the previous year. However, their operating income decreased by 24% to $824.5 million. John, can you explain this dynamic?
Absolutely. While revenue saw a modest increase, the decline in operating income is primarily due to higher operating expenses, including selling, general, and administrative costs. Despite this, net income surged by 61% to $1.13 billion, thanks to strong concert attendance and effective cost management in other areas.
Concert attendance was up 4%, with 151 million fans attending over 50,000 events. How significant is this for Live Nation?
This is a crucial metric for Live Nation, as it underscores the robust demand for live events. The increase in attendance not only boosts ticket sales, but also enhances revenue from ancillary services like concessions and merchandise.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.19, but Live Nation reported an adjusted EPS of $2.74. This is a significant outperformance. What does this tell us about the company's financial health?
This substantial beat indicates that Live Nation is managing its operations more efficiently than expected. The positive surprise in EPS reflects strong revenue generation and effective cost control, which are crucial for maintaining investor confidence.
How might this affect analyst sentiment moving forward?
Analyst sentiment is likely to be very positive. Such a significant beat on EPS can lead to upward revisions in future earnings estimates and potentially higher stock price targets.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Live Nation's adjusted operating income rose by 14% to $2 billion. What operational efficiencies contributed to this growth?
The growth in AOI is largely driven by record profitability in their concert segment, with AOI up 65% to $530 million. Additionally, their strategic focus on building new music-centric venues and expanding their global footprint is paying off.
Looking ahead, what are some key initiatives Live Nation is focusing on?
Live Nation is ramping up its stadium show pipeline by 60% and has already committed 75% of its 2025 sponsorships. They're also planning to add 20 large venues globally by 2026, which will significantly increase their capacity to host more fans and events.
CEO insights and strategic investments. CEO Michael Rapino mentioned a focus on venue expansion and enhancing the fan experience. How is Live Nation investing in these areas?
Live Nation is heavily investing in building and refurbishing venues, with capital expenditures estimated between $900 million and $1 billion for 2025. This includes significant investments in artist support and enhancing the fan experience, which are critical for sustaining growth.
What impact do these investments have on Live Nation's long-term strategy?
These investments are pivotal for Live Nation's strategy to drive double-digit operating income growth. By expanding their venue network and enhancing the fan experience, they are positioning themselves to capture more market share and increase profitability in the long run.
Key takeaways. In summary, Live Nation has delivered a strong performance with a 2% increase in revenue and a significant EPS beat. Their strategic investments and focus on venue expansion are setting the stage for continued growth. John, any final thoughts on Live Nation's investment prospects?
Live Nation is well positioned for future growth, with strong demand for live events and strategic investments in place. Their ability to exceed EPS expectations and drive profitability makes them an attractive option for investors looking for exposure in the entertainment sector.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Live Nation's performance in the comments below.